Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making me some homemade turkey burgers. Something a little healthy today, you guys. This is what I got taste for. So without further ado, let's get started. Yes. And I like eating stuff like this because it's easy to digest instead of eating hamburger meat all the time. Whether you're cooking spaghetti or whatever you cook, you want to minimize that. You want something that's going to digest. Okay? So this turkey meat is very, very soft. So I'm just going to, and it's cold. So as you can see my seasonings here, I'm going to season it with a little black pepper. So I hope your day is going well. Mine is going well so far. And you're going to season it as well with a little garlic powder. I'm going to use a little slap your mama, just give it a little kick to it to keep it from being just too bland. So I'm going to give this a whirlwind and everything, and I will be back, you guys. Alrighty. Okay, you guys, here's my patties here. I made 4. So now I'm about to put them in my skillet, and I did also add just a little bit of flour on top of mine just to give it that perfect brown, you guys. So I'm about to put them in the skillet. Okay, so I'm going to let those cook. And you also need it because you need to also put flour to hold your turkey burgers together. So I will be back when they are done. I'm going to clean up now, you guys. Hey, you guys. My turkey burgers are all done, and I grilled my buns. Now I'm about to put some provolone cheese on top, and I will be back for the plate up. done. I just finished just washing out the little pots and pans that I did have to make my dinner for today. So I'm going to show you because I know how. That is my homemade turkey burger, and I thank you for watching, and bye bye guys.